Today we're about to do my back canister shield. Mine is cracked. I mentioned in past video that it was cracked. I didn't like it. So somebody told me about this company right here. They make metal ones. This company right here, TBW Performance, they make metal ones. So I'm like, all right, mine's plastic. They make metal. I never heard of these people, but we're about to see how it is, man. Cause mine is plastic, has a hole in it, and I don't like it. Hopefully this one fits good, and I like the way it is. It's metal, it's aluminum, metal, better than the plastic. So we'll see how it looks. But I just don't like the fins that they have. I don't know how I feel about that. It's like little fins, like little wings. Let me show you. All right, so this is it right here. Like I said, I don't know how I feel about these little thin things that they have hanging down. I don't know if it's supposed to do something, but I don't know. I saw a picture of it with a Sedan on. I was like, I don't know. These things hanging down. I don't know how I feel about these, but I'll see how I look on my car. If anything, I could just cut these shits off. But maybe it's for something. I don't know. But yeah, see, metal plate. I don't have to worry about my plastic. It had a hole in it. So let me put my car up, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I take it off. This should be a direct bolt on. All I gotta do is put my 10 mils in, and should be straight. All right, let's put it on. Hopefully these wings don't look stupid. It came with some hardware too, like the new bolts and a new clip for the rear. I'm probably not gonna use these. I'll still use mine, but I might use this these 10 mils. I'm not gonna use this. I don't need these. But if you want to use this, they have it for you. As you see, we have snow in New York. Random snow, just came out of nowhere. Now, working in the snow. Okay, so this is my plastic piece right here, as you see, that I have. You see that? This is the plastic piece. Okay, so this is it right here. You see? So, like I showed you before, that new metal piece has fins, or whatever you want to call that, flares, whatever you want to call that thing, and it's just poking down on each like this. I really don't know how I feel about that, or how it's gonna look on with this. So I'm gonna take the plastic piece off so I could see how it looks, man. But yeah, this is it right now. Before all you will need is a 10 mil and an 8 mil. Well, for me. But if yours is OEM, or you decide to get this like me, you will need a 10 mil, a clip remover. I think I'm gonna use my clip remover because I have mine still on there. As you see, I have one on there, and I put an 8 mil over there because that side was acting stubborn, wasn't trying to go on. So I put another 8 mil there because the stud wouldn't go there through that thing. And yeah, and as you see, there's holes here, as you see. And where's the crack? Oh, there's a crack. Look at that. Yes, that bothers me. That bothers me. But anyways, let me take this off. 10. Okay, it's an 8. Oh, it's an 8. Okay, let's turn it to a 10. Okay, so not sure if I might need another clip remover for this, so let me take this off. I'm not worried about that. I have plenty of those. Now it's 8 mil right here. Oh wow, it's not even 8. This is 8. Okay. Hopefully I don't have to do that with the new one, because that'll be no good. Anyway, it's another 10. Oh, shit. And another 10 here. I'm gonna need an extension 10 for these in between here. The one up here, you see that? You need extension 10 to get up there to get that out, and another 8 over there. Since I'm here already, let's take this off. As you see, the stud right here trying to come out, did not come out. All right, now, sheesh, look at my diff. Beautiful. Anyways, let's take the 10 extension. All right, got this one. I didn't feel like switching this to an extension. I'm being lazy. Well, that one, you see that? All I had to do was add a extension on that, but man, I'm not trying to do that. Okay, let's get this 10 out. I can't even do that. Damn, wah. Okay, so you will need an extension. Deep 10, not no short one, because this one has a whole washer 10 on it. Show you what I'm talking about. You see that? It's a washer 10. Call that the washer 10. Same thing with the other side. The other side rotted off, so I had to finesse that one with another one. Not finesse, but put another one. All right. Now, it should fall down now. Okay, this is it. Let's rebend that one. Okay. You see that hole? There's another hole right there. Cracked over here. Come on. I don't like that. So if some rock was to go up here, or a hard rock, it will break right through this thing. Okay, you see this? You see this trash? Look at this garbage. OEM plastic BS, man. Going to the garbage. Garbage. So that's before. Now, this is after right here. Let's put this on. Okay. Got the big dog over here. Now it's time to put this metal one on. So I won't just put it on. I'm not gonna really show you because I need some hands. Alright, so I'm gonna show you when it's all put on together. Okay. It is on. Now let me change this one. I don't like this. Let's change that one real quick. I don't like this one. It's a regular rusty one on there. Oh, of course I'll loosen it. Alright, as you see, this is the fitment. Before you buy this thing, if you have the brace, it fits right over. Right under, I mean. It goes like that. These are eliminated. No more bolts on the sides. I put a bolt here. You can try to match these up, but mine didn't really line up. And I was not trying to put those plastic clips in there no more, because that was annoying. So I might put one here too, right in the middle, and that'll be it. I'll put 3. One there, one here, and one right here, right in the middle. But if you don't like putting holes in your bumper, try and line it up with these before you tighten everything up. But this is here, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil. And that's it. Now let's see how it looks from far, you know, because you know these fins are hanging down. If you're low, I don't know how this will work. If you're like, you know, air suspension or you're lowered, I don't know how this will work. If you don't like this thing, I will cut that shit off. But it'll probably look stupider because it's cut. But whatever. Alright, let's back it up, see how it looks. Alright. Moment of truth. How y'all feel about this, man? Look at this. What is that? Do y'all like this shit? Tell me how y'all feel about the damn fins that's on there. I mean, the fitment's not bad, you know, because everything's covered. But why is those fins, though? Can someone tell me why is that there? For what? Look at that. You see that? You see something hanging down, like. Tell me how y'all feel about this. If I should shave this off, or should I just keep it like that? Look at that. Should I shave it down? Is it gonna interrupt anything? I don't know. I really don't know how I feel about this thing. For real. But yeah, this is it though. That is it. Oh. Doesn't look too bad. Look at it. Huh. Doesn't look that bad though. Uh-huh. I guess, you know, when you're behind me, you see that shit, you're like, what the hell is that? Well, that's not too bad though. This might grow in me. So I might get used to this thing. Cause look, it doesn't look that bad now. Up in the air, it was like, eh. But look at it right now, look at it. But tell me how y'all feel about this thing, man. How do y'all feel about these? Well, this. Let me know, comment below. If I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.